Hello everyone, this is Ritika, and in today's video, we're gonna have a look into the HubSpot Commerce Module. So today we're gonna have a look what are the facilities and information available into the Commerce Module. As Commerce Module includes all the payment, invoices, and the deal closing, and it is a very important module we have in the HubSpot. So let's go and explore into that. So when we go into the commerce module, we can see few sub contents like overview. In overview module, you can see everything, and then there will be a payments module where you can see all the payments. Then you have invoice, you have payment links, you have codes, products, and subscriptions. So let's go into the overview and see what are the things we can use. Here we go. So this is a overview dashboard, which we can see. Here you can see Commerce Hub, welcome Ritika, and on top you can see the payments. So from here as well, like you don't need to go back and just do all the things. You can easily see the payments option here. You can go to the invoices page as well. You can see the payments link and codes. And here is the more button, which is products and subscriptions. And then here you can get the notifications, reminders, and everything. And then from here you can set up your online payments. So what basically this means is you can set up the online payments like some Razorpay or account or anything, and you can always do the payments from there. Or maybe if your customer does any payment or anything, you can just upload the invoices, bills, and everything. And from here you can see how much payment you have received for your business. And then here are a few things. Try out our billing and payment tools. You can create codes and invoices directly from these deals. You can begin from here. You can also create and send an invoice from here. You can set up recurring invoices to bill for subscriptions. You can sell directly from marketing assets. So these are the things you can see. You can also show more tickets, like automatically charge for subscription. So these are the facilities available which you can use for your business. And then here you can see some resources. Get started with Commerce Hub, get started with payments, sync with QuickBooks. You can see get started with invoices. And here are a few things like you can also learn about the commerce tools, how to learn about that. So you can just watch a demo for that if you want to get started with Commerce Hub, how to set up and everything. You can also watch, here's a demo. If you want, if you are not able to set up a payment for your business, you can just get started with the payments. You can also sync with QuickBooks. You can always see it here. You can watch the demo for invoices as well. And then from here, you can see the payment reports as in graph. Like you can, here is a sample data you can see. And then, yeah, here it's a sample data, and you can also customize your reports. You can also upgrade it. So this is for upgrade people, but you can always customize your reports as well. This is all about the overview, like it's just an overview. And then we will also going to see what is under the payments option. So when you go into the payments, here you will be having an option of setup payments. From here, you can easily click on setup payments and set up your payment. Yeah, and you will be easily seeing all the steps how to do that. So if you want to set up the payment for your business, you just need to click here, and then you can easily set up the payments. And same as with invoices, payments, link, and codes. Thank you, and I hope that works for you.